Hi everyone, welcome back to the Japanese Study App official YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a simple sentence in Japanese language. I think this is the very basic pattern that you can use to make simple Japanese sentences. So, let's get started. The pattern goes like this. A wa B desu. A wa B desu. In here, A is the subject of the sentence. Wa is a Japanese particle. We call wa as a topic marking particle. I'll teach you particles one by one later on another episode. Next, you can see B. B stands for the object of the sentence. And lastly, end of the sentence you can see desu. Desu is we use to end the Japanese sentences. And it literally means to be. So always you can see this comes to the end of the sentences. As you can see here, we write it as desu, but in spoken Japanese we pronounce it as desu. Desu. Now I'm going to explain the lesson one by one. Here we go. You can see in this sentence pattern there is only the subject and the object. And we don't have a verb in this pattern, right? So here we only use the subject and the object to make sentences. Let's look at some examples. Watashi wa kirin desu. Watashi wa kirin desu. This sentence is following A wa B desu form. It has a subject and an object. The meaning is watashi means I or me. Wa is a topic marking particle. Kirin is the name of the person. And this means to be. So, watashi wa kirin desu means I am Kirin. So simply you can say your name by using this pattern. In this sentence, subject is watashi and the object is Kirin. Second example. He is an engineer. How to say this in Japanese? Here the subject is he and the object is engineer, right? Let's make the sentence. He is an engineer. Kare wa enginia desu. Kare wa enginia desu. Kare means he. Wa is the particle. Engineer means engineer. Desu means to be. So, kare wa engineer desu means he is an engineer. You can make these kind of simple sentences by using A wa B desu pattern. Okay, let's move on to the next example. Kimi wa 16 sai desu. Kimi wa 16 sai desu. Kimi is the person. Wa is the particle. 16 sai means 16 years of age. And this means to be. So, Kimi wa 16 sai, this means Kimi is 16 years old. You can see this sentence is also follows A wa B desu pattern. In this sentence, it's talk about age of the person. Do you know we can say our occupation by using this form? Let's take some examples. Watashi wa kyoshi desu. Now you know watashi means I or me. Wa is the particle. Kyoshi means teacher. And this means to be. So, watashi wa kyoshi desu means I am a teacher. Watashi wa kyoshi desu. I am a teacher. Here watashi is the subject, wa is the particle, kyoshi is the object here, and we write this at the end of the sentence to finish the sentence. This example talks about occupation. Our next example. Watashi wa nihonjin desu. What does it means? Watashi wa nihonjin desu. Watashi means I or me. Wa is the particle. Nihonjin means Japanese person. And this means to be. Watashi wa nihonjin desu. I am a Japanese person. Watashi wa nihonjin desu. I am a Japanese person. Nihon plus jin, nihonjin, right? Nihon means Japan. Jin means person. So, nihonjin means Japanese person. This sentence talks about the nationality. You can say your nationality like this. Put your country name first plus jin. For an example, Thai plus jin, Thai jin. Thai jin means Thai person. Chugoku plus jin, Chugoku jin, which means Chinese person. Sri Lanka jin, Sri Lanka jin, which means Sri Lankan person. I hope you're clear. Then can you tell me how to say I am Indian? Let's make the Japanese sentence by using a verb with this button. I am Indian. Watashi wa Indojin desu. Watashi wa Indojin desu. Watashi means you know I or me. Wa is the topic marking particle. Indojin means Indian person. And this literally means to be. I am Indian. Watashi wa Indojin desu. Likewise, you can say your nationality simply. Okay, let's see the summary of today's lesson. A verb be this pattern can be used to make simple sentences. In this pattern, we only have subject and the object. By using this form, you can introduce your name or someone's name, age, nationality, and also the occupation. So try to make more sentences by using a verb be this pattern and keep your continuous practice. If you liked today's lesson, make sure to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. Sayonara.